I must say I'm grateful to be on the podium. For the past couple of years I've been not on the podium. I've missed that. Fourth, fifth. This time I came third. I'm moving up. I'm grateful to be a part of 1, 2, 3 again. It's flip around, but I'm still grateful to be a part of the history. Even though earlier in the season I had some struggles, but I still managed to came here and put on a show, and I'm just happy for that.
Yeah. And I'll ask you the same question as well. In terms of your execution in the final, do you think under the circumstances you executed the best you could?
Honestly, I have to watch that replay and to see if I had a good execution, but I know I did my best because I retrieved a medal. But I think this one I'll be sharing with my husband because for the past couple of years I missed the podium, and this one is for both of us even though he's not here, so this one I will share with him of course.
It's hard to believe it's your first World Championship 100-meter medal. As you mentioned, you missed the podium a couple of times, and you've been so dominant at the Olympics. You have doubled twice. So what does this mean to you? Because you kept saying before, Elaine, that you've never won the world title and you wanted to win, but you always said that if you're on the podium, you'll be grateful. So what does this mean to you?
As I said, I wanted to be on the podium, and I'm grateful for that. Next year's one, 2024 Paris, and then 2025 is another world champ. So definitely my motivation is to work to be on the top of the podium. Of course, again, winner, goal, of course. But for now, I'm just grateful to get this bronze, and this motivates me more to go to the 200.
And talk to me about the 200. What's gonna be your approach for the 200?
Well, for me, tomorrow I'll take it run by run. It's not an Olympic where we got a day race like tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be the heat. So tomorrow let's come out to execute and to qualify for the 200 semi-final. We get a day race after the semi-final and then come for the finals. And I'm just looking forward to be also on the podium, of course.
You're an outstanding performer, Elaine. Thank you so much for talking with us. Congratulations on your medal again.
You're welcome. Thank you.